So we just pulled up here. We already got a lot of activity. We waste no time. What's up, Herb? Randall, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, Dad. Nice. Ready to work? Yeah. Let's just carry it. There goes all the junk. I miss it. Not really. So we're spending about $200,000 getting this store renovated, inventory, marketing, the franchise fees, all the things that we got to put in to get this up to the level that we play at. Check out this broom. We got to work with what we got, I actually ran out of this deodorant this morning. This is perfect. And we could easily not do that. We could easily have gone in here and just dealt with the waiting room in the old condition. But in the success that we've had over the last couple of years, it's because we do it differently, because we come in and we want the waiting rooms to look nice, provide a better customer experience. And then also, like, if we put in the work in the store and everyone sees that it's like the owners and the CEO and the CFO and we're the ones doing the physical labor, and we get the shop clean and just how we want it, then it's like it's an easier way to kind of set the standard that, all right, you guys now are responsible for keeping it at this level. Got bathroom tour.
This doesn't look too bad.
Dude, this isn't terrible. We've got a urinal. Need that? Look at this. We got this like blob of soap. All your nice employment stuff. 1981.
OSHA.
OSHA, 1980.
They were good there.
They built, look, that's how old this thing is. It's crazy. All right, we got our first customer here in the new shop. Just a little bit of a clanging noise.
2 hours open?
Yeah. So we got like years of crud. Look at that. Dude, they probably never clean these. Ugh. Like all 130 pounds of me to get it off. Look, even back here. Oh my God. So what we're working on here is we're gonna put our 2 TVs up there for the customer kind of waiting room. Creates a little bit more privacy. People aren't like at the window staring the whole time. We're trying to fix their car, nobody likes that. So we got the counter redone, so it was like that. Now it's facing that way. Here's gonna go to the manager's office. When's the last time you think they did this?
I don't know, I'll look it up.
We found something from 1980 in the bathroom, so it was an OSHA sign. There it is. And then a lot of it's just the money we made. We just took that and put it into the next store and the next year, and then we bought another one and put it, it was like every year we just kept taking the money, reinvesting it, and not buying like, a nicer car or house or all this stuff. It was like, because we knew that the best investment we could make was back into the business. Cool, it was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet
We're gonna
you.
grab lunch. All right, I'll see you. So you ready for some White Castle?
I am ready.
All right, let's go. When I'm buying a store, the number one thing I'm looking at is the location. I love being next to fast food joints, whether it's a Taco Bell, a Popeyes, a Wendy's, a Burger King. This is the only location that's next to a White Castle. When's the last time you guys had White Castle? So the plan is these tire equipment we have out here, it's way too tight. It doesn't give the mechanics any room for their boxes. So we're taking down all this racking. It's kind of a pain in the butt because there's a bunch of these clips. So you gotta like undo these clips and then bang it all out. But we're pros, we've done this a few times. But the tires are here, so let's go get them. Here, Jason, behind you, up top. Well, it's all right, they could just go maybe where there's some, all right, whatever. Here's some. What do we get, 150, 160?
Yeah. Yeah, there should be top 35 and 5.
We already just sold 2, so not a bad start. We just got all the new tires in stock, 165. We already sold the first 2 within 5 minutes of them arriving. We're taking the shelving down, make more space. It's gonna look great. And then we're bringing in new tanks of oil for our, and coolant and like bulk fluids. We have these real stackable totes that are really nice. They save space. We're all about like efficiency, clean, layouts. And so we kind of have the way we like it done. And a lot of the stores kind of have the same feel to it versus like the literal dumpster load that we just threw out. Our CEO, by the way. He loves it. He loves this shit. Yeah, no gloves, doesn't care. Today the guys are renovating the lobby. We're putting new floors, drywall, paint, building the office, painting the roof, everything to make this place look great. Dude, we gotta scrape this off. Not our hours or the business name. Just coming along. We're gonna have a new office and floor and estimating counter by the end of the week here.
No gun.
Yeah, no guns in here. It does smell nice. Here's our new office we built. So the manager desk, they'll be able to kind of look out into the shop, see what's going on. The real point is, do paperwork kind of when we have our company meeting calls, which we do every week. And then we do a lot of financing. So people come in, we can help them get payment plans to make it affordable. So much easier to have someone come sit here and kind of go through all the paperwork, get the job done and sold, and then kind of back out. So looks good though. We're gonna do something here. So we have that cool looking Midas sign. This is the wiring for that sign. So put a nice picture up there. Yeah, so this was all the lobby of the old shop, and so the contractors went and built this, these two walls really. Then we got all the security cameras routed down here. As you can see, all the lines that we ran. Looks pretty good. Let's check out the bathroom. Bathroom floor just kind of continue to run. All new fixtures. Look at this light. I guess it's like the fire alarm light.
Yeah, the school exit.
Yeah, school exit out of the bathroom. No soap. We gotta get some soap in here. It'll be fine. All right, so it's been about a week now. We got all the racking down there. You can see this is our the old counter that we set up temporarily here, but now this is going to be the permanent shop counter. We like to reuse things, so in this case, this is their old stuff, but perfectly good for a shop counter. We're still going to get rid of all this stuff and fix this and get this in the back, but as you can see, we're already collecting some more junk, and then we're starting on kind of the repaint here. You see how bad the walls are. Painters are going to go and scrape all that down. The roof we believe is okay from the outside, and so it's just a matter of making it look not terrible from the inside. But all this is going to look great. I think we usually do about a gray line and then white above it. It look real clean. So first week, we actually sold a bunch of tires. I'll have to get the count, but I think it was 30 or 40 tires in a matter of just a couple days, which, this used to be a tire store, so that would make sense that people would be coming in for it. But a lot of out of stock, which is good. It's why you stock tires, because people generally want to get in and out pretty quick. And so you make the money, you turn it. My dad's favorite tool. How high can you use the genie?
No.
Ladder?
In the beams and the...
Oh, you walk in the beams? Oh, jeez. We're going to walk in the beams.
Oh, okay. That's really good content.
Oh boy, here we go. He was serious. He was serious about we're going to stand up there. Would you go up there? I don't know. Yeah, no fear. Yeah. We budgeted like $10,000 to fix the roof because we thought it was an active leak. But then when we got up there, it was fine. So saved a little bit of money there. Yeah, but there'd be no point in painting it if you still got a problem.
Why are you painting it? Like, no customers are going to see it.
I don't know. Even though they're still gonna, I don't know. I'd see it if I walked in and I thought the whole roof was falling apart, and especially if the rest of the store looks pretty good. I don't know. To me, it kind of shows if the business owner's not putting money into the business, what else? Where else are they taking shortcuts? Especially when it's something that's an active leak or an active roof, and then you have falling on your car. I don't know. So you just saw us spend $200,000 on renovating this store. What do you think? Was it worth it? Are we going to succeed here? Follow along to see what happens.